Hey guys, welcome to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. So today I am going to be making a charcuterie table. Some people call it a grazing table. You guys loved my Christmas one so much that I decided to do it again for New Year's. And so we are having a New Year's Eve party and I wanted to bring you along. As you can tell, my name has changed. And so I wanted to just kind of encompass all that makes me who I am. Scylla's Stuff and Things. It's not just about cooking. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and Happy New Year's to you. Charcuterie boards are not hard. The biggest thing you are going to face is timing with that. I don't line things up on mine. I prefer to have it scattered all over. I think it's fun and it makes it look really neat. But yeah, your table is going to be your most important part. Today I'm going with like more of a gold New Year theme. And so I have a lot of things that I can use over and over again. So I bought these little placemats for Thanksgiving, which I'll link all of this down below for you guys if you want to pick anything up. But I just bought them on Amazon and you can reuse them for so many events. And that's what I love about this. One of my biggest obstacles is we don't have, this sounds a little pitter patter, we have big feet that are stomping around the house right now and she loves to get into all the things. So I typically put things out like right before people are gonna get here, but everybody's kind of blocking and helping on the defense part of making sure that Abigail doesn't grab all the food. So if you have kids, I totally get that and I'm here for you. It's hard, but it's worth it, I promise. Are you gonna help me set this up? Mm-hmm. We can't eat it right now, okay? Listen, we'll eat later, okay? Right now we're just putting things out. So we need to go get our dishes. So the cool thing is you can use all different kinds of dishes. Some people just put it out on paper and that's fine. I wanted a little more fancier look, so I went with the white tablecloth and the little doilies placemats. I have joined a Facebook group. Like, this is an obsession now, but it's so easy. When you have a lot of people to feed, even when you want to do like a little date night, this is fun. So there are no rules to charcuterie boards and I've loved that. It's go time. We have like 15-20 minutes, people will start showing up. So now it's time to go. So I've laid everything out on the counter so I don't forget anything. And I have an assistant and she's gonna help me just put stuff all over the table. Like I said before, I don't line everything up or put everything like in specific spots. It's just kind of all over the place. If you want to do that, feel free, but that's how I like to do it. All right, guys, so we are ready to have our New Year's Eve party. You have to have a team of people to help you get this going. We have meats, cheeses, rolls. Pretzel rolls are like top around here. I made a spinach dip this time. So you can have pickles, olives, whatever you want to add to your grazing table, charcuterie board. Just have fun with it. That's the biggest thing. Have fun. Everybody just will enjoy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope to see you next time and Happy New Year.